Hello guys, welcome back to the channel once again. If you are new here and you have yet subscribed to our channel, please do your best to subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so anytime we upload a new video you'll be notified as soon as possible. If you are here, you want to learn how to program, how to develop application, how to develop your own website, how to code and program, this is the right place for you. Please do your best to stay tuned to the end of the video.
So today we want to draw a graph in Python using the matplotlib tutorial. So you want to draw a graph that looks exactly like the one you are seeing on this screen. Then stay tuned to the end of this video. So what is matplotlib? Now matplotlib is a low-level graph plotting library in Python that serves as a visualization utility. Matplotlib was created by John D. Hunter. Matplotlib is open source and we can use it freely. Matplotlib is mostly written in Python. A few segments are written in C, Objective-C and JavaScript for platform compatibility. Now that we have a little understanding about matplotlib, let's see how we can use it to draw a graph that looks exactly like this one on our screen right now. So let's get straight to the video.